Thank you for watching all of our Let's Get Organized videos. I hope you've made it through them all and they've been entertaining and that you've learned different ways to how to sort and store your stuff in the quilting studio. This is just a quick little video as a wrap up to just kind of go through all the different things we talked about and hopefully the points that you got from the videos. First is get yourself organized. If you're watching videos on organizing, you're probably interested in organizing your stuff, but start small. It can be extremely overwhelming. Don't expect to organize an entire studio in a day or your whole fabric stash in a day. Take it in smaller steps. Say today I'm going to organize my rulers, or I'm going to organize my buttons, or whatever it is. And then treat yourself when you're done so that you can say, okay, I did this and I got a reward for it. So no matter what method you choose on how to organize your stuff, please go ahead and try it. Let me know how it works. Sort your items by like items. You know, keep your rulers together, keep your threads together, keep your different fabrics in order of how you use them. Store things by use. Make sure you have the things that you use all the time easily accessed. Don't bury it in a drawer. Don't put it in a cabinet. If you touch it every day and you put it in a cabinet, it's going to end up just sitting out anyway. So you may as well find it at home while it's out, where it can stay, and you know where it is every time you need it. Use smaller containers and bags when you put things into bigger containers so that you organize from smallest to biggest. Like the rulers. I had all the rulers in a box, but I had like rulers in a Ziploc bag, then put them in the box. Anytime you can save time looking for something, it's a really good idea to try it. Sort through your stuff. At least I do it once a year. You may not want to do that. But every year I go through my UFOs. I go through my rulers. I go through my fabric and I sort it out and I donate the stuff I'm not going to use. Mainly because it makes me feel good to give it to someone who will use it. And second, it makes me feel good because I don't have it hanging around. It's making me feel guilty because I haven't used it. So give yourself permission to not have everything that you've always had, to sort through and to slim down and get rid of some of this stuff that you know is making you feel bad because you haven't touched it in like 10 years or something. So go through your different things. I do it with Notion. I do it with rulers. I do it with fabric. So sort, put it away, make it easy to get to, and make sure when you're storing your fabrics that you keep them away from dust, you keep them away from direct sunlight. When you're storing threads, same thing. Don't hang them on a rack on your wall if you're going to get sunlight in your studio because it will fade your beautiful threads. Make sure that you keep all your things in places where they are okay and protected. Like I keep all my sewing machine feet in a tackle box so they don't get damaged or banged up in a drawer. I keep my rulers in a way so they won't crack. So think about that as well when you're storing. So I hope, again, these tips helped you. I've enjoyed shooting these videos for you. I'm very anxious to hear how other people organize their stuff, so please leave some comments below with pictures and let me know how you did with the organizing. And I hope that you will tune into all our other videos on YouTube. We've got lots of other ones about how to set up your studio and how to set a sew a perfect 1/4 inch seam. And tutorials. We have lots of quilting tutorials coming out, so make sure you like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you like and subscribe below. You can find the Whimsical Workshop on our website, thewhimsicalworkshop.com, and that has all links to all of our other social media platforms. Thanks for joining us.